In my 4 years that I have been in Vietnam, this particular occasion has become one of my most favorites of the year. This year is even more special as are here to celebrate the UN's 70th anniversary.
The stronger the UN is, the better the world will be. Without poverty, without inequality, with better education, with stronger global partnership, all these largely depend on you.
So my theme for today is to first take individual responsibility. We strongly urge everyone in the UNIS community to take on this challenge. We suggest that we start by looking into a mirror, gaze at it thoughtfully, and realize that it all starts with each of us as individuals.
And make that change. To change his way. No message could have been any clearer. You want to make the world a better place. Take a look at yourself and make that change.
Our future is the Sustainable Development Goals. The power for change is not within the United Nations alone. It is also within the individuals. and it is up to every single one of us to make sure that the world becomes the world we want.
Oh, we are